Stop right there. If you are welding like this, you might be making a common mistake. Many beginners try to weld directly on the joint without preparing the metal, but this often creates weak welds and rough beads. A strong weld always starts with proper preparation. First, make sure the metal surface is clean. Rust, dust, and oil can ruin the weld quality. A clean surface allows the weld to penetrate deeper and creates a stronger bond between the metals. Next, check the position of the metal pieces. If they are not aligned correctly, the weld bead will look uneven and the joint may not be strong enough. A simple trick many welders use is holding the metal steady before starting the weld. This keeps the joint in place and helps you control the weld bead more smoothly. Now watch the welding process carefully. Keep a steady hand and move the electrode slowly along the joint. Maintaining a consistent speed is the key to getting a smooth and strong weld bead. When done correctly, the weld should look clean, even, and solid. A good weld not only looks satisfying, but also ensures the metal structure is strong and reliable. Welding is a skill that improves with practice. Small techniques like these can make a big difference in your results. If you enjoy satisfying welding work and want to learn more simple welding tips, keep watching and follow for more.